In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a main navigation for your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clear, clickable menu across the top of your site so visitors can easily find your most important pages. First, start from your Squarespace dashboard and open your site. In the left-hand menu, click Website to enter the editor. From there, click Pages. This is where all your site's content lives and where you'll control what appears in your main menu. On the list of pages, hover your mouse over the page you want to adjust and click the small gear icon that appears. That opens the page settings. Inside this panel, look for the navigation area. Here, turn on Show Header. This setting ensures your site's header area, which contains the main navigation, is displayed. Once you enable it, your header will appear, and you should see your navigation menu at the top of the page. If you don't see the pages you expect in that menu, go back to the Pages panel and check how your pages are organized. Only the items placed under the main navigation section are shown in the header menu. If a page is sitting in another section, like not linked or a separate area, it won't appear in the header. To fix that, simply click and drag the page into the main navigation section. As soon as it's there, it becomes part of your main menu. You can also drag to reorder items so they appear left to right in the sequence you prefer. A couple of quick tips as you fine-tune this. If a page still isn't showing, make sure it isn't a draft and that it's not set to be hidden in navigation within its settings. Different templates and styles may format the header a bit differently, so the look of your menu can vary. But the placement of pages in main navigation is always what controls what shows up. After moving pages, give your site a quick refresh in the preview to confirm everything looks right. That's all there is to it. Click Website, then Pages, open a Pages settings with the gear, enable Show Header and Navigation, and, if needed, drag any pages you want into the main navigation section. With that done, you've created a clean, functional main navigation for your Squarespace site, making it easier for visitors to move through your content with confidence.